Imagine this, over 4,500 years ago, a structure so monumental, so precise, it continues to baffle engineers and historians to this day. We're talking about the Great Pyramid of Giza, a tomb, a monument, and one of the greatest mysteries of human engineering. How did the ancient Egyptians, with no modern tools, no engines, no cranes, pull this off? Let's talk scale. It's made of over 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons each. That's like stacking 16 Empire State Buildings worth of solid rock, assembled with breathtaking precision. The joints between some of these blocks, thinner than a human hair. No concrete, no steel, no heavy machines. Just ancient Egyptians. So how on earth did they do it? For centuries, the dominant theory was ramps. Giant mud brick ramps stretching up the sides of the pyramid. Simple, right? Well, not really. A straight ramp to the top would have to be over a mile long and require more material than the pyramid itself. A spiral ramp? Maybe better. But how do you drag giant blocks around corners? Keep the angle perfect? And still see what you're building? These ideas are clever, but they come with some serious bumps in the road. Enter French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin. His theory? An internal spiral ramp built inside the pyramid as it rose. This hidden tunnel would allow workers to move blocks up with less material, better stability, and full control of shape and angle. And guess what? There's evidence. A strange notch on the pyramid's face, and internal hollow zones detected by modern scanning. Other theories? Using water to reduce friction, or lever systems to raise stones step by step. Some even suggest a combination of all three. But who were the builders? Forget the Hollywood myths of slaves whipped under the sun. Archaeological evidence shows the builders were skilled, respected, and organized Egyptian workers. They lived in planned villages, ate meat, drank beer, and even had medical care. To them, building the pyramid wasn't punishment. It was purpose, a sacred national project to serve their pharaoh and their gods. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to ancient ingenuity. Despite centuries of research, we still don't have a definitive answer. And maybe that's part of its magic. It's not just a pile of rocks. It's a 4,500-year-old message carved in stone, that human ambition knows no limits. What do you think? Ramp? Internal tunnel? Alien tractor beams? Tell us your theory in the comments. And if you want more history, mystery, and mind-blowing facts, don't forget to subscribe.